Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna see this look right here. It is a Christmas makeup look. Since it's the Christmas season, I thought of creating this look, and this is my favorite look as well because whenever I think of Christmas, it has to be greens and reds, the color that comes to my mind. So I created with those two colors the makeup. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. This is also gonna be like a dewy makeup look. So I'm gonna use this Aroma Magic Vitamin E night cream. So it is actually a night cream, but since I want that dewy look going on, I applied this in the daytime as well, and I'm also taking some to my under eye and over my eyelids as well to just moisturize that area. And then I'm applying the Dermdoc sunscreen lotion. It is the SPF 51. Again, I've done recently a video reviewing this product. You can check that one out as well. Since it's a very oily and lotiony kind of sunscreen, you can use this to create any dewy looks. And then I'm using the Neutrogena lip balm. This also has SPF of 15. So since day look, I'm just applying that. And moving on, I'm gonna start with my eyes as usual. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation as an orange corrector. So I'm gonna first orange color correct the whole of my face, and then I'm gonna move on to my eyes. So I'm color correcting the areas where I usually have pigmentation, which is around my mouth area, then the under and over my eyelids, and on the sides of the cheeks as well. And then blending it all out just with my fingers. So now I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer in the shade medium tawny. Again, it's a very light shade, so I'm using that as my almost like a eyeshadow primer. And I'm also correcting my eyebrows a little bit. I'm gonna do my eyebrows finally because I felt like the eyes need to be done first, and then I'll move on to the eyebrows. So again, blending that out also with my fingers, and then taking my LA Girl Pro Face HD powder in the shade Classic Tan. I'm just setting my eyes with it, and actually I use the Swiss Beauty 24 colors palette. It is a neutral palette, and I mixed two shades, and I'm so sorry I forgot to show it to you guys. But yeah, I just mixed two shades. It was like an orange shade and another one a little bit on the reddish orange shade, and I'm applying that on my crease. And then taking this kind of a brick red color, and I'm just placing it right below the transition shade. Then taking my colorful palette, which is the Hilary Rhoda palette, and I'm taking that bright red color. It's a dark maroonish red color, and just placing it right below the area where I placed the brick red color. So I'm first packing the color, and then I'm blending it out, and then taking this beautiful green shimmery shade from the palette, I'm just placing it all across my lids. Just halfway through, not the whole of my lids, because I needed that green as well as the red to be going on. Then coming back to base, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Nut Brown. I'm just striping it all across my face. and blending it out with my Wet n Wild brush. It's a buffing brush. This is also very dewy foundation, so if you can see, all of my base and everything is going to be really nice and dewy since it's the winter times as well. I'm taking a little bit of concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Divine Concealer in the shade Caramel. Very slightly, I'm just highlighting, not a lot, because again, I don't want to, go heavy with the foundation or the concealer. I wanted the base to be really light, like a skin-like finish. Then I'm setting the same with my LA Girl powder, compact powder. I'm not setting the whole of my face, just the centers of my face, because I need that dewy look. And then taking my Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, I'm just filling in my eyebrows. And then taking that a bright red color, it's not like a bright red color, it's like a nice orangey reddish color, and just placing it in the inner corners of my eyelids. And then I'm also applying some green to the lower lash line. Then taking my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, I'm just giving my lashes a good coat with it. Then I'm gonna do some contouring. I'm using the LA Colors highlight and contour palette. And moving on, I'm applying some blush, which is the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush. And finally, for the lips, I'm taking this Miss Claire lip liner in the shade Coffee Brown and just lining my lips. Since it is a red lipstick, I want the line of my lips really to be nice and precise. I'm using the MAC Ruby Woo shade. Then I'm also adding some gloss because again it's winter time, so we cannot go drying and everything. So again, keeping the dewy look in mind. So yes, you guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really loved how the look has turned out. The eyes are really nice and popping, and the bold red lips, it's giving me major Christmas vibes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to comment down below what did you like in this video. And also, if you're someone who's interested in makeup related stuff, skincare, product reviews and more, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. Until then, take care. Bye.